Hi friends, in this video I'll be showing you how to use Aarogya Setu app. Now before going to the next steps, please subscribe to our channel to get more updates on our new video. Now please click on the Aarogya Setu app which you have already installed to your mobile and click on the app. It is a government app now. Please select your preferred language for the app. I'll be choosing English and click on next. Here there is some welcome videos, so please go through it. Once you have go through it, please click on register now. Here is all the terms and conditions. Please click on I agree and please click on OK. Now please enter your mobile number to which the app has to be connected, and the OTP will be sent to your app, sent to your mobile number. Please make sure the mobile phone number which you are giving, the mobile number is handy with you. Please click on submit. Now the OTP is sent. It is automatically taken as I have the SIM is in my same number, same mobile. Please click on I agree. Okay, it is already installed. Now the Aarogya Setu app will ask some of the health related questions for you. That is like female. Okay, and you can give your name and click on go, and you can give your age, click on go, and what is your profession. As of now I'll give none of the above, and it will ask have you traveled to any countries. As such I'll give none. If you have traveled you can choose it. And are you volunteer, if you even it will ask are you ready to volunteer. Oh sorry, I just closed it. I have to do first from beginning. Sorry guys. Okay, have you traveled to any cities. There is lot of cities, you can choose it. As I have not traveled I'll be giving none. And you want to volunteer at this COVID time, you can give as S or no. I'll be giving it as S. And confirm submission, you can confirm submission. If you have anything to be resetted, you can click on reset. I'll click on submit. And it will ask for your health. Are you feeling well? Yes. Take 20 minutes assessment and I'll do it later, or okay I'll do it yes. Okay, I got it. So it will ask you have any cough symptoms, anything. No, none of the above. All that if you have any diabetes, lung disease, I'll click on I don't have any above. Have you traveled? No. Which of the following applies to you? Have recently infected? No. Have I taken any COVID test? No. Okay. So as you can see, you have been successfully. This is how to register yourself for an Aarogya Setu app. If you have any doubts, please comment below. We'll be happy to clarify it. Thank you.